What's up guys, Dynamic Tech here. Hope you are doing great, and in this video I'm going to show you a bunch of very useful keyboard combinations or keyboard shortcuts which can speed up your daily working in your computer. So without wasting time, let's start. First, I'm going to show you the keyboard combination for changing the size of the icons. We usually change the size of our icons by right clicking and then going to view and then by choosing the desired icon, but there is a secret way to access it with keyboard combinations. To do it, simply press and hold Ctrl+Alt and then press 4 for small, 3 for medium, 2 for large and 1 for extra large icons. And if you want more precision, then you can simply press and hold Ctrl on your keyboard and then scroll down to decrease the size of the icons and scroll up to increase it. Next, I'm going to show you the keyboard combination for creating a new folder. To create a new folder, we usually right click anywhere and then go to new and then click on the folder icon to create a new folder, but there is a keyboard shortcut to do it. Now that I have created a new folder, I want it to be deleted to create a new one with the keyboard shortcut. So to delete files with shortcuts, we use Shift+Delete to permanently delete the files, and then we click on yes to delete all the files permanently. And to create a new folder with the keyboard combination, we use Ctrl+Shift+N and a new folder will be created to be renamed. Next shortcut is for opening the old or the Windows 10 right click panel. If you right click anywhere on Windows 11 screen, you will see a new right click panel here, and if you click on the last one which says show more options, you will see the old Windows 10 right click. And if you have noticed, you can see the shortcut of it right ahead of it, which is Shift+F10. So if you press Shift+F10 anywhere, you will see the Windows 10 right click pop-up opening. So now I'm going to show some Windows key combinations which can be very useful in daily functioning. So first of all, if you press the window button on your keyboard, you will see start coming up, and if you press Ctrl+Escape, you will also see start coming up, and Windows+S will open up the search bar. Windows+E will open up the file explorer, and Windows+R will open up the run tab, which is usually used to access applications with their commands, and Windows+A will open up the focused assist tab. And if you finally get out of all the applications and you want to get on your desktop screen, then you can use Windows+D to close all the applications and get back on your screen. Next, I will show you the keyboard combination for opening the task manager. If you use big applications, softwares or games, then you usually keep in check your computer's performance, its assets, accessories and all of that, and you usually use Task Manager for that. And the fastest way to open it on Windows 11 is by right clicking start and then clicking on the Task Manager. But there is a shortcut to open up the Task Manager, and that is Ctrl+Shift+Escape. You have to press and hold Ctrl+Shift and then press Escape to open up the Task Manager. At last, I will show you some useful uses of the functional keys from your keyboard. If you want to refresh your screen, you can simply press F5, and if you want to keep refreshing your screen, then you can press and hold F5 key. If you want to rename a file or folder, you can simply click on that and then press F2 to rename it. And the third one is a tricky one. If you want to fit any application file or folder in full screen view, you can simply press F11 to fit it in full screen view, and if you want to change it back to normal view, again press F11. However, you cannot use this feature from your mouse. So these were some useful keyboard combinations which can help you work fast. Hope you guys found the video helpful, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up, and if you are new on the channel, then consider subscribing. Also turn on the bell notification to get all the updates. See you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.